The Stanley 1082 is a compact, one-button mini remote used with compatible Stanley garage door openers. In this video, I'll show you how to open the remote and replace its battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or another thin, flat tool. Locate the small groove along the edge of the remote housing. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the groove, then carefully twist it until the casing unlocks and begins to separate. Once it releases, pull the two halves of the remote apart. You should see the battery immediately inside the housing. The Stanley 1082 uses one A23 12-volt battery. Before removing the old battery, check the polarity diagram located on the back section of the housing, underneath the circuit board. This diagram shows which direction the positive and negative ends of the battery should face. Remove the old battery and insert the new A23 battery according to the polarity markings. Make sure it is seated securely inside the compartment. Next, align the two pieces of the plastic casing. Press them together gently until you hear the housing click back into place. Finally, press the remote button and check whether the indicator light turns on. You can also test the remote with your garage door opener to confirm that it is working correctly. That's it! Your Stanley 1082 remote battery replacement is complete.